Geraterm, innovative medical products for your health. Do you want to have a baby? If so, there is a simple way for you to determine when you have the best chance of conceiving. This fertility test, Geraterm OvuControl, can help you. There are various ways of tracking a woman's ovulation cycle and thereby establishing the time when she is most likely to get pregnant. The Geraterm OvuControl fertility test is based on the optical assessment of dried saliva. This method is made possible by the fact that during the fertile period, the salt content in saliva rises owing to an increase in the production of estrogen in the body. The salt crystals present in the dried saliva form a structure which looks like the leaves of ferns and which is therefore referred to as ferning. This ferning is most clearly visible shortly before ovulation. During the infertile period, there is a different pebble-like structure. The difference between the pebble and the fern-like structures, or the infertile and fertile periods, can be easily seen using the Geraterm OvuControl device. It is very simple. First, pull off the blue protective cap. Then remove the lens from the casing and clean it with a dust-free cloth. Now use your finger to take a drop of saliva from under your tongue. Place this on the underside of the blue lens cap. Dab the saliva onto the lens. Please do not smear the drop. No bubbles or foam should be visible. Next, allow the saliva to dry. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. The best time to do the test is in the morning, before cleaning your teeth and before breakfast. Also, please avoid smoking before taking the saliva sample. If you follow these instructions, the salt concentration in your saliva at the time of maximum fertility will be very easy to detect using the Geraterm OvuControl device. After the saliva has dried, put the lens cap back into the casing of the OvuControl. The device contains a mini microscope. If you wear glasses, please remove them. Then press on the light switch. The microscope provides 50-fold magnification so that the structure of the dried saliva sample will be clearly visible. The infertile period. If you see a pebble-like structure which looks like dots and water bubbles, conception is highly unlikely. You will almost certainly not get pregnant. The start of the fertile period. If you see small crystals with slight ferning, ovulation is about to take place. This means that the fertile period is beginning. The fertile period. If you see a clear fern-like structure, you are in the ideal period for conception. You can now become pregnant. The saliva method is scientifically approved and provides a safe way of determining the time of ovulation. If you do not see any clear structures, it means that the saliva has not yet completely dried. Please wait a few more minutes. After each test, clean the lens using the cloth supplied, or alternatively, use a clean, slightly damp cotton cloth. The fertility test can be used an unlimited number of times. Geraterm OvuControl provides you with a discrete and reliable indicator of your period of maximum fertility. Geraterm, innovative medical products for your health.